To set up hotspot on POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to look for the portable hotspot right here. It should be under interconnectivity options. If you enter it, you'll be able to enable or disable your hotspot. Next thing you can do here is set up the portable hotspot, which allows you to change the name for your network, how it will appear to others. You can adjust the password or just click on this eye to see the actual password. You can disable password by selecting security and none, or enable password by selecting any WPA profile. Then there's the device identification that you can switch between portable hotspot or default option. There's also option to hide your SSID, which means that if somebody wants to connect with your hotspot, they will need to do it manually through Wi-Fi options. When you're ready with those settings, make sure to save them with this button right there. And then we have one-time data limit. You can adjust this option, and what it will do, it will allow the other person to use your mobile hotspot for a certain size of data that you can adjust right here, and then change the behavior for what will happen if that limit is exceeded. Then there's the turn off hotspot automatically, which when enabled will disable your Wi-Fi hotspot automatically if there's no devices connected for some time. Then there's the option to activate support 6th generation standard. If you activate this, some of the devices won't have compatibility with this, so they may not be able to connect to your hotspot, but this should slightly increase the performance of your hotspot. And that is basically every setting that you can find for the hotspot on your phone. And that is basically everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.